Welcome everyone. In today's video, I will explain possessive nouns. This video is very important for those who want to improve their English grammar. In this video, you will learn what possessive nouns are, how to form possessive for different nouns, and what are the functions of possessive nouns. Let's begin. First of all, it would be better to define what a possessive noun is. A possessive noun is a noun that possesses or owns something. Possessive nouns are formed by adding an apostrophe and the letter S to the noun. It means that possessive nouns are used to show possession or ownership. These nouns are formed by adding an apostrophe and the letter S at the end of nouns. Now remember this simple formula to form a possessive. Add an apostrophe and the letter S to the nouns. This is a noun student. So add an apostrophe and the letter S at the end of this noun. So it became a possessive noun, students. Now the question is how to form possessives of different nouns. There are a few rules to make possessives. Let's discuss it one by one. Add an apostrophe and the letter S to the nouns. Generally, we add the apostrophe S at the end of nouns to form a possessive. Look at this example, that is Ali's car. We have added an apostrophe and the letter S to the noun. Now it shows the relationship of possession between Ali and the car. This is another example. It is Ahmad's house. Now we have added apostrophe S to the noun. It means that Ahmad is the owner of the house. Singular names are nouns ending in the letter S. Add an apostrophe at the end of such nouns. Now look at these examples: James' house, Chris' car. These nouns have already the letter S at the end. So we have added only apostrophes to these nouns to form possessive. It means that James is the owner of the house and Chris is the owner of the car. Plural nouns ending in the letter S add an apostrophe to such nouns. Now look at these examples: boy's car, student's room. Boys and students, both the nouns are plural and have the letter S at the end. So we have added just apostrophe to both the nouns to form possessive. Now it means that the car belongs to boys and the room belongs to students. Plural nouns that don't end in the letter S, so add the apostrophe S to such nouns. Now look at these examples: men's hall, children's room. In this case, both the nouns men and children are plural, but these nouns haven't the letter S at the end. So we have added an apostrophe and the letter S to each noun to form possessive. Now what about the shared possession? In such cases, add an apostrophe and the letter S to the last noun. Let's look at this example: Ahmad and Ali's car. In such cases, we add an apostrophe and the letter S to the last noun. Now the car belongs to both Ahmad and Ali. Now look at this example: brother and sister's book. So in this case, we have added an apostrophe and the letter S to the last noun because brother and sister both share the book. After watching this video, I hope you may have understood the concept and uses of possessive nouns.